Welcome to 29 Congress Street. We're located in a terrific neighborhood that's just minutes away from 93 at 2 different locations, making commuting to Boston a breeze. Come take a look inside and enjoy the tour. My name is John from the Ternullo Real Estate team at RE/MAX Leading Edge. For more information on this terrific home, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, or if you're considering a move in or out of the suburbs north of Boston, give us a call at 781-517-4224. Visit TernulloRealEstate.com and be sure to like our Facebook page to stay in the know of other great properties coming on the market soon.